Okay, we are going to be doing the Amplify lesson in sub-unit 3, the speckled band, lesson 2. I'm all attention, madam. We're going to start off on card 1, doing the vocab app. When you finish the vocab app, we're going to come over here to card number 2. You're going to press the audio button here, listen to the text and follow along. And then we are going to come over here and complete the task. So we have our two characters, Helen Stoner and Dr. Grimsby Roylott, and we are going to drag and drop what we know about each character. So click, drag up, and set them where they go. Once you go through each one, click the next button here at the bottom. You're going to click on number 2 here, and you are going to put the following events in the correct order. So you're going to, again, drag and drop these events and order them in the correct order that they came in this story. Remember to be pausing the video to complete the task. You are then going to press the next button, which is going to take you to number 3. Of course, if you're home, you're not able to turn and talk with a partner about the reading. So this is just a think about what is happening in this story. So why was Helen Stoner visited? Why has Helen Stoner visited Holmes? What seems to be important from her story about her sister's death? How does she think her sister died? And how does Holmes react to hearing this story from Helen? What action does he take as a result of his reaction? Once you've had those, kind of go through those and think about that from the story and take some time there, go ahead and press hand in to get you to number 3. You are going to read along as this passage or follow along as it is played here. So you will press the audio button, press play, and use your scroll to follow along. You're going to highlight clues that Holmes used to find out about Helen's journey to London. And how does he discover these clues? So you're going to go through and use the highlight feature, highlight where you see those clues, and then press the next button. It's going to take you to number 2. You're going to reread the passage and highlight any text that shows that Holmes is suspicious about something. So what is he thinking is not quite right? And then you're going to make a list of details that Holmes finds suspicious. And you will write that in the text box here. So think about things that he is finding that just make him really stop and think about what's going on. After you're complete with that, you're going to press hand in and come over to number 4. We're going to come down here to number 2. And the question says, what details about Helen and her story does Holmes think might be suspicious? How do you know he finds them suspicious? Use your notes from previous activities and textual evidence to support your answer. So you're going to write that in this box here. When you're finished, write hand in, or click hand in. We're going to skip number 5 and come over to the exit ticket. You're going to match the quotations from the story to descriptions of how Holmes' interactions with Helen point to clues that may shape the plot of the story. So match each quote from the story to the correct description of Holmes' interaction with Helen that indicate details he finds suspicious or important. So another drag and drop feature. Just take here, drag up. And then the last question is, based off of Holmes' interaction with Helen in this scene, what steps do you think he will take next? You will type those in the box here. And when that is complete, you will press hand in and you are done with this activity.